Continue the challenge with additional brutal, action-packed game modes including Escape, Versus, and Horde. Immerse yourself in campaign following Kait Diaz on a journey to discover her family connection to the enemy and the true danger to Sera herself. Own this limited edition console featuring a dark translucent casing that makes the Crimson Omen appear submerged in snow and ice, designed by Gears co-creator Fergusson and the Xbox team. Bring the Gears universe to life. Laser-etched cracks appear across the console's icy top surface and snowdrifts across a golden locust symbol on the back. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect condition. Order was received a week earlier than expected. Everything in perfect working order. Fantastic condition. Great buy. Even though this was a refurbished product, it works just like a new one.